DJI Pocket 2 supports 4 useful gimbal follow modes to let you capture epic shots whenever you go. In Camera View, swipe up on the touchscreen to enter gimbal sheetings. Tap icons on the lower right corner to switch between different gimbal follow modes. Follow. The pan and tilt axes follow the handle while the roll axis remains level. This mode is suitable for most scenarios. Tilt locked. Only the pan axis follows. The tilt axis is locked and the roll axis remains level. This mode is suitable for scenarios such as where the camera position switches between high and low. FPV. Pan, tilt, and roll axes follow. This mode is suitable for scenarios where the camera position is continuously rotating and there's less stability. In Camera View, press and hold to completely lock the gimbal, during which time the orientation of the camera will not follow the rotation of the handle. This mode is recommended for scenarios where the subject is moving in a straight line and without abrupt movements. DJI Pocket 2 also provides a new feature, Drop Aware. Upon sensing freefall, DJI Pocket 2 will turn its gimbal tilt motor down to minimize damage with the notification Gimbal Limit Reached. Press the function button twice to exit Drop Aware. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.